is a test from the National Weather Service in Green Bay. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone, which normally precedes the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a test of the warning alarm system for NOAA weather radio stations, WXJ89 in Wausau, KIG 65 in Green Bay, WXN 69 in Sister Bay, WWG 88 in Crandon, WWF 40 in Coloma, WNG 552 in New London, KC2 XBZ in Gresham, WNG 553 in Wasaki, and WNG 565 in Rhinelander. Specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal for severe weather watches and warnings in central and northeast Wisconsin. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but if severe weather threatens the area, it will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The warning alarm tone will be activated for watches and warnings that affect these 9 NOAA weather radio stations in central and northeastern Wisconsin. If you would like a complete listing of the transmitter locations, frequencies, and counties that they serve, contact the National Weather Service at 920-494-2363 and select option number 7. The list is also available on the internet at weather.gov/GRB. This concludes the test of the public warning alarm system.
The current time is 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 10 a.m. observations. At Wausau, it was cloudy.